called police undercover plainclothes in your city. I guess I'll be the one to expose it. But when I came out, this girl was walking in front of a Mexican with a bun, pointy nose, shorter than me. She had a spray in her hand, and then another guy coming opposite of me, going straight to me. On the left side, Mexican guy, he looks like he wears makeup, pale skin, eyebrows done, fat, a bit chubby, and he had a spray also. But when I was leaving, there was a fat guy who looked like jdvance in one of the glass case on the left of me, and he said, "Oh, hi guys," but he looks like he stinks and he's yucky. And undercover police. So now let's get into the world of legal and not illegal conduct with plainclothes police. Since no one really studies it after college, you have to do it in society, of course, because society is the real world.